Hello, hi. We have this thing which is work with 12 to 24 volt control relay switch, get 2 channel with transmitter. So I bought this and connected with my linear actuator. So I will let you know there are many suggestions like latch circuit and stuff, but I found a good way to connect this thing with pulse motor. So let me show you the diagram. So this is to remote. Now let me show you this. Like you can see 12 to 24 volt, normally open, common, normally open, normally open, common, normally close. Okay, so now you have a DC motor. For example, DC motor which has positive and negative, and it gets reversed when you change polarities. Okay, so I want to change polarities. So the wiring will be positive, negative, 5 to 12 volt. I'm giving 12 volt here as the input, and connecting 12 volt positive is normally open. Okay, normally open. On normally close, I'm giving negative to normally close, and DC motor positive and negative I'm giving in common, right? So what happened when it's closed? Normally close, so it's giving negative to the DC motor, so it doesn't work. But when it touch normally open from this relay, the other relay, and this one, like you get a negative and you get a positive from normally open, so it move clockwise. When you give negative here and positive here, so it will move anti-clockwise. So I have made hardware. Let me show you the hardware. Now this is a hardware here, and I have already wired as I showed you. So we have to set the mode. So there's this switch to set like pulse, hold, everything. So we want this switch on, off, and off to make it pulse. Both relays, relay 1 and relay 2, pulse. We don't need latching, we don't need hold, we need pulse. You can use hold if you want. So I have the to 0 0 here, and you can see like positive and negative going here, then positive to normally open, then normally close. I'm giving negative here, and you can see the common is going, common wire, this one, black and red here is going to linear actuator. This is a linear actuator here, and this is the remote. So I have set the remote here. Okay, so A and B forward. Okay, here you go. Okay, speed, pulse, with pulse. Here you go. So good way for DC motor.